This nocturne is a stunning example of Chopin's ability to convey deep emotion through simplicity. The melodic lines and slight variations are a stroke of genius. It is graceful and lyrical, but there is an undercurrent of longing that makes it unforgettable. Start gently, the rhythm should be light and fluid. Don't hurry the pulse, let it breathe naturally. The art of Chopin, which includes writing music that always has rubato in mind, can be seen from the very start. Be careful how the sections at the beginning speak to each other. Think about question and answer always. As for mood, think of it as a quiet night unfolding slowly. The melody should sing with warmth, but with depth. There's a feeling of longing here, a quiet desire that should come through naturally. Let each phrase speak for itself, but musically connected, and always bring out the nuances with careful expression. Especially important is the timing of the embellishments. Find the right timing for the right effect, always within the musical expression. Rubato is key here, but it must always feel natural. Let the melody stretch and breathe, but never to the point where it loses its flow. It's about emotional depth, not rushing to get to the end. If you're interested in learning more about rubato, check out my other videos on the topic. The ending should be as soft and graceful as the rest of the piece. Show more intense emotions of craving where needed, but in the right balance. Let the last notes fade delicately, like a whisper. Don't rush the finish. It's a gentle resolution of emotion, captured in a graceful musical structure, part melody, part fragrance. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.